It was a bright and cheerful morning in Arendelle. Queen Elsa and Princess Anna were excited. They had found an ancient spellbook in the royal library, and today they planned to test a new spell together. This spell will make us stronger, Anna said happily. But we must be careful, Elsa warned. Magic is tricky. Elsa and Anna stood in the castle garden, holding hands. Elsa whispered the spell, and a bright light surrounded them. Suddenly, boom! A powerful burst of magic exploded between them. When the dust settled, they felt different, very different. Elsa gasped. Her dress was now red and orange like flames, and her hands felt warm. When she moved, fire flickered at her fingertips. I can control fire, Elsa said in shock. Anna looked down at herself. Her dress had turned icy blue, and her breath was visible in the air. She waved her hand, and snowflakes twirled around her. I can control ice, Anna cried. The sisters stared at each other. Something had gone wrong. They had switched powers. We need to fix this before it's too late, Elsa said. They hurried to find Grand Pabbie, the wise troll. He listened carefully and shook his head. The spell has changed your very nature. If you don't switch back soon, the change will be permanent. You must work together to balance the elements before the next sunrise. Elsa and Anna nodded. They had to act fast. At first, everything was a disaster. Elsa kept burning things by accident. She sneezed, and a tree caught fire. Anna, on the other hand, froze everything she touched. The castle floors turned into ice, and the fountain froze solid. I don't know how to control fire, Elsa groaned. And I can't control ice properly, Anna said, slipping on the frozen floor. Then Elsa had an idea. Anna, what if we train each other? Great idea, Anna said. You teach me about ice, and I'll teach you about fire. The sisters spent the day practicing. Elsa taught Anna how to focus, breathe, and let the ice flow smoothly instead of freezing everything. Anna taught Elsa to stay calm and control the fire's warmth, not its destruction. As the sun began to set, they felt more balanced. Finally, they joined hands and whispered the spell again. A swirl of magic surrounded them. When it faded, Elsa's dress was icy blue again, and Anna's was warm and colorful. Their powers were back to normal. We did it, Anna cheered, hugging Elsa. Grand Pabbie smiled. You balance the elements together. That is the true power of sisters. Elsa and Anna laughed, relieved and happy. They had learned something important. No matter what happened, they could always count on each other. And so, with hearts full of joy, they returned to the castle, ready for their next adventure.